Here's a song by Neil Garmin and it says, what a beautiful note. Yep, the sound of cars screaming on the highway, driving in the neighborhood, honking away. That's a noise. It's beautiful. What will we do without noise, huh? What a beautiful noise coming up from the street. Got a beautiful sound. It's got a beautiful beat. It's a beautiful noise going on everywhere, like the clickety-clack of a train on a track. It's got rhythm to spare. It's a beautiful noise, and it's the sound that I love, and it fits me as well as a hand in a glove. Yes it does, yes it does. Beautiful noise coming up from the park. It's the song of the kids, and it plays until dark. The song of the car on the furious flight. But there's even romance in the way that it dances to the beat of the light. It's a beautiful noise, and it's the sound that I love, and it fits me as well as a hand in a glove. Yes it does, yes it does. Beautiful noise. It's a beautiful noise made of joy, they pass in the rain, the heart of a life. It's a beautiful noise, it's the sound that I love, and it makes me feel good, like a hand in a glove. Yes it does, yes it does. Beautiful noise coming into my room. Thank you for listening.